Welcome to Handicap Vehicle Services. We are Oklahoma's premier mobility equipment dealer, the oldest and most trusted. And today we've got this beautiful 2023 Ford Transit T350. Very popular, highly sought after. This one's equipped with the heavy duty running boards, the grab assist handle, the 3 removable individual seats. These can be moved in the track system throughout the vehicle, so you're not limited. If you need to take them out, put 3 in a row, 2 together in a single, you can do that. Comes equipped with 2 set of retractable tie downs and 2 lap and shoulder belts with a rear mounted lift. It's got dual heat and air conditioning. It's got backup camera. It's got overhead storage. Great application for assisted living, group home, even a large family. This is the mid-roof version. Let me pan back here just a second and show you that. We've got 3 more of these coming between now and I believe the 1st of October. It's got the Braun Millennial Series lift mounted in the rear, the large overhead doors, plenty of interior space. Just a beautiful vehicle all the way around for any kind of transporting of folks in wheelchairs. Check us out on the web at hvsu.com. Give us a call at 918-622-8400. And thanks so much for viewing.